I have some visitors. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And one of them right in front of me here. What are you saying to me? Huh? Say hello from the Gambia. Say hi, Rochelle. Yeah, this is my tree here. Look how majestic it is. My little stick that I walk with. My stick of defense and help me push up and, and the works. Yeah, this is beautiful. Thanks for passing by, guys. Going about your business, doing your thing. Why are you coming so close to me? Huh? Hey, yo, yo.